Today we are going to discuss about the protein structures. You might have learned in your lower classes about the protein structures, and these protein structures are made up of individual amino acids. The individual amino acids of the proteins are connected by peptide bond. As you could see in this PPT, the primary structure of the proteins simply contains amino acids which are joined together by peptide bond. They appear as zigzag because of the rotation of the individual bonds, which are named as pi bond and psi bond respectively. There are no forces involved in the primary structure, and it involves only the rotation of the bonds. The secondary structure of the protein is predominantly formed due to the formation of the hydrogen bonds between nearby and distant amino acids. The alpha helix and the beta pleated sheets are formed due to the hydrogen bonds which connects between a hydrogen atom and an oxygen atom, a hydrogen atom and a carboxylic group. The tertiary structure of the protein is formed due to the presence of the disulfide linkages which are connecting the two amino acids. For example, the sulfur containing amino acids like cysteine can actually form a disulfide bridge between the distant amino acids of a protein structure. Because of the bond which is going to connect, which is the disulfide bond which is going to connect between the distant amino acids, you are able to get some folded structure which we call it as the three-dimensional structure of the proteins, which is the tertiary structure of the proteins. And the last and the most important structure is the quaternary structure of the proteins. The quaternary structure of the proteins are different from the primary, secondary and tertiary, as the quaternary structure of the proteins have more than one polypeptide chains. The primary, secondary and the tertiary structures have a single polypeptide chain, wherein the quaternary structure of the proteins are formed by connecting many polypeptide chains by the same disulfide linkages. So we'll be discussing about the primary structure in detail in the next class.